How to change the time zone on your Mac. If your clock is wrong, your apps show incorrect times, or you traveled to a different country, updating your Mac's time zone fixes everything instantly. macOS lets you change it manually or set it to update automatically. So here's how to change the time zone on your Mac. Firstly, what you have to do, you want to click on this Apple icon in top left corner. From this drop down, we want to go to System Settings. And in the System Settings, you want to go to General. And in general, you want to find date and time. And from here, you can change your date, time, and time zone as well. Firstly, what you can do, you can set time zone automatically using your current location. So if you turn this on, you want to type your password to unlock it. And location services are turned off. So you want to turn them on. And just simply like this, I'm gonna again confirm by my password. And now if you go back to time and date, you can turn this on and it's going to find the closest city automatically based on your location, and then it will change the time zone. Okay, so this is the first way. And if you want to change it manually, you just have to turn this on and you want to click on this drop down, and this is going to show you like the cities near your city. And if you don't see your city right away, you can simply remove this and you want to search for it manually. So let's say I want to find New York, and it already found like New York, United States. So to confirm it, just press enter. See, the time has been changed automatically. So also the time zone, so we can see the Eastern Daylight Time. Also the time is changed based on this time zone. So this is how you can change time zone on Mac. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.